What's going on, guys? Corolla Customs here with a quick video on how to remove the headlights from your Avalanche. It doesn't matter what year. Actually, I'm not sure what year it is, but this year is the 2004. So anyway, yours might be similar, so let's just get to it. So you see it has a spot here. So basically this pushes in, but you're not worried about that right now. There's a little tab, which is back here that you press. When you press in, now it comes out. So this is the tab that you press right back here, this one. You just press it in and the whole thing will come out. We're going to lay that off to the side. Now for this bottom one, it's simple. You can get a flathead screwdriver or whatever, and you pull out these two lock pins, which are located here. So this one, pull out. Right, that's one pin. And the second pin is right here. So we pull this out. That's pulled out. And now the assembly just comes off. And you can unhook your bulbs. There you go. And the last one is here. There you go. And that's all there is to it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick tip on how to remove the headlights from your 2004 Chevy Avalanche. See y'all soon. Peace.